Hello everyone, my name is Dyelute, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of thumbnail sketching. Now some of you might be aware of the concept, or this could be your first time hearing about it. Thumbnail sketching is a crucial step in the creative process that allows for more refined illustrations and imagery. I'm going to elaborate on what this topic is, as well as working on a few thumbnail sketches of my own. If you enjoy the content you're about to see, please follow my channel and hit the like button down below. Let's dive right in. So what is thumbnail sketching? The act of sketching thumbnails is simply creating quick and messy sketches that are used to convey ideas or initial design options. They are not required to be any specific size, but generally they are petite so that you do not spend a lot of time on them and can focus on the big picture. As luck would have it, you can also do this in any medium, whether that be pencil, pens, paint, or anything in between. As you can see in this video, I have chosen to do these digitally. So how do you start a thumbnail sketch? My best advice would be to begin with an idea at hand. Are you trying to draw a character or a scene? Is there a specific object or area that you want to highlight in the image? Do you know the mood or genre you're trying to portray? Asking these questions before the pencil hits the paper will allow you to start formulating ideas in your mind. For this piece, I wanted to develop a stronger pose for a character design I had sketched prior. I know that it is a knight, and it is set in a graphic novel world. Based on that beforehand information, I set to playing with the emotion and body language seen here to create an interesting pose. Now while these are sloppy and unfinished, they allow me to physically play around without committing to a specific drawing and giving me the freedom to find what I feel is a good composition. Is there a time frame on how long I should work on thumbnail sketches? How many should I make? This is also an area that you are free to decide. I chose to work with 3 because I tend to do my best work within a rule of thirds. I also included a time limit on these because limitations allow you to problem solve your creations without inhibiting your ability to create. If there is too much freedom, we as artists tend to wander and never start or complete what we set out to make. Restrictions and restraints do not have to be your enemy, they can be a powerful ally. If you are setting out to make your thumbnails, I would recommend you start small and give yourself a generous window of time. You can adjust your length of time and number of drawings you do based on your sketching results. So what do I do with the thumbnail drawings? The purpose of doing these doodles is to allow yourself room to decide how you want to proceed with your art piece. Perhaps there is a certain pose you really enjoy from one of your sketches and you'd like to move forward with it. You could have an interesting city shape in one doodle and a really cool mountain backdrop in another that would combine really well. This in turn is the whole purpose of this process. Flex your creative muscles in an unbiased and rough environment so that you can pick out the gems to polish and refine. You have the winning formula right in front of you. It's all just a matter of locating the pieces. That wraps up the importance of thumbnail sketching and hopefully leaves you with some direction and motivation to get started. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and hope you gathered something valuable with our time together. If there are more topics you would like me to cover, or if you have feedback on what I can improve on, please let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, this is Dyelute, signing off.